Welcome back. Now, while our battery is charging, let's prepare the CORTEX microcontroller and the joystick. Which one do you choose first? I will pick the VEXnet joystick. Now, at first you see, I don't need my scissors, but you actually need this tape over here. Let's cut the tape out. The screen will be black in the next few seconds. Welcome back. After we cut the tape off, you need to flip the side that once had tape up, and then put it down like this, and stretch the place that once the plate has been up again. Wow! This VEX microcontroller is nice. Now let's unpack the microcontroller. We might need to do the same thing. Yep. The screen will be back in the next few seconds. Welcome back. Now I've opened the box. Look! This is how the VEX EDR microcontroller will look like. It is different from VEX IQ. It doesn't even have a screen, you might say. Yep. And it has more ports than VEX IQ. Now, let's see how's the battery charging right now. Oh, it's still red. That means that it's still not full. If it's green, it is full. Now, please take a rest. Come back in the next tutorial. Next part of this whole series of tutorials.